Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I create handmade Imbolc jewelry to celebrate the season. Let's do some magical crafting. Imbolc is a time to acknowledge the first spark of spring, the embedded energies that have been sleeping over the winter. It's a time to celebrate new beginnings, purification, and the hearth and home. Imbolc is often represented by the flowers that bloom the earliest in the year, often pushing up through the snow, such as snowdrops, crocus, lilies, and daffodils. I'm honoring the pale green of those shoots and the glimmering white of snow with this jewelry. To start, I'm going to make a pair of floral earrings, beginning with a light green faceted glass bead on an eye pin. I add a silver tone bead that reminds me of a snowdrop or a lily. I follow that up with a small white faceted glass bead to represent the snow. And I finish it with a green bicone bead and a tiny silver end cap bead. And then I close it off with an eye loop. I make 2 of these pendants. And then I add ear wires to finish the pair of earrings. These earrings represent the white and green of the early blossoming snowdrop. Next, I'm going to work on the individual elements that will come together to become my Imbolc necklace. First, I create 5 eye pins out of 20 gauge wire. Another option is to purchase pre-made eye pins. Onto the eye pins, I'm placing a large green faceted glass bead. This bead matches the ones in the earrings I made earlier. I'm doing the same with 2 smaller snowy white faceted glass beads. And finally, I'm adding 2 small silver flower beads. They're adorable, and I'm finishing each of those with a green bicone bead that again matches my earrings. So the final elements for my Imbolc necklace are 1 large green bead, 2 medium white beads, and 2 small flower beads finished with green bicones. The next step is to link the beads to create the front portion of the necklace. Once the elements are all linked, I measure them. I have created a 2.5 inch wide focal point. So in order to create a necklace that's at least 18 inches long, I need to cut 2 8-inch pieces of chain to complete the necklace and attach them to either side of the central focal group. To complete the necklace, I add a loop on one side with jump rings and a clasp on the other side. Each time I work on a side, I make sure that the loop and clasp are securely attached by tugging gently on the chain. And here's the completed set of jewelry. I love the way the necklace came out, and I think the pieces really complement each other. I'll list both the earrings and the necklace separately and as a set on my Etsy shop. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. I hope this video gives you some ideas for some DIY jewelry to celebrate the early spring season, and I hope you have a blessed Imbolc.